Imagine you walk into a convenience store and buy 10 bottles of beer. Simple enough. But that tiny purchase can send shockwaves through an entire supply chain. The retailer notices the shelf getting low and worries about running out. So they place a bigger order than usual, maybe 100 bottles, just to be safe. The wholesaler sees that jump and assumes demand is surging. So they order far more from the distributor or the factory, maybe 1,000. The manufacturer reads that signal as a real boom. It ramps up production, buys extra raw materials, adds shifts, and expands capacity. All of that can start from a small change at the checkout counter. This is the bullwhip effect. A small shift in consumer demand creates larger and larger swings in orders as you move upstream, from stores to wholesalers to factories. Why does it happen? Because each link in the chain acts with incomplete information. Each layer sees orders, not real consumer demand. Add fear of stockouts, slow reporting, and delayed deliveries, and people start guessing. Those guesses get amplified at every step. We see the same pattern across industries. A short-term spike triggers aggressive expansion. Then demand cools and the system is stuck with excess inventory, idle capacity, and price pressure. The damage is not just wasted money, it is instability. So what is the solution? Coordination and transparency. When retailers share real-time sales data, upstream partners can see true demand instead of distorted orders. Better forecasting helps, but shared information matters more. Smart coordination keeps the chain stable. The bullwhip effect is a reminder that markets do not only react to demand, they react to information, timing, and emotion. So next time you buy something ordinary, remember this. The order you place is small, but the signal it creates can become enormous.